Hello freelancers, welcome to my channel. Are you thinking about starting your freelance career from scratch in 2025? This video is for you. I will share practical tips to help you take the first steps from creating a portfolio to finding your first clients. Let's go! Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new content about freelancing. First and foremost, the first thing you need to do is understand your skills, what you do well. It can be graphic design, video editing, web development, or even social media management. Identify your area and specialize in it. The clearer the service you offer, the easier it will be to attract your clients. Look, an extra tip: don't be afraid to start with what you know and improve along the way. Now that you have identified your skills, the next step is to build a portfolio. The portfolio is what will show the world what you are capable of doing. If you don't have many works yet, create fictional projects, offer services to friends or NGOs for free. Just to have something to showcase, use common platforms. Experience or create a simple website to showcase your work. Even a portfolio on Google Drive can help you get started. It's time to find your clients. You can start by signing up on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. Another tip is to use social networks like LinkedIn to promote your services and connect with potential clients. At the beginning, you may need to accept projects with lower value to gain experience and positive reviews. Over time, you can increase your prices as you build your reputation. How to price your services? Pricing your services can be a challenge at the beginning. A good tip is to calculate how much you need to earn per month and divide that by the number of hours you will work. In addition, see what other freelancers in your field are charging to get an idea of how the market works. Always remember to include the cost of your work, such as tools, internet, and even the time spent communicating with the client. The fifth tip is organization and discipline. Being a freelancer requires a lot of organization and discipline. Use tools like Trello, Sana, or even just a spreadsheet to organize your projects and deadlines. In addition, it is important to set a work schedule and avoid distractions, especially if you work from home. Extra tip: working as a freelancer gives you freedom, but it also requires focus and responsibility to meet your commitments. Ready to start your journey as a freelancer in 2025? Don't be afraid to take the first step. Remember, in the beginning, it may seem difficult, but over time, you will find your rhythm and grow in your career. If this video helped you, please like it and comment below which of these tips you will plan to implement first. Subscribe to the channel for more freelancer tips and share it with anyone who wants to start this journey as well. I'll see you in the next video.